We've moved from virgin markets where simply supplying products was enough to succeed, through rapidly evolving markets where brands learned how to become customer facing, to saturated markets where disrupting the traditional retail model is now the only way to survive and flourish. Selling once again has replaced buying as the way to commercial success. Every stage has been led by trailblazing businesses and by extraordinary leaders setting new standards. Retail merchants and innovators have superseded deal makers. They've embraced retail functionality, customer-focused product propositions and disruptive ways to market. So if you're a retail leader, a manager or entrepreneur who can harness the enormous potential of emerging technologies, who can leverage data and analysis to create personalized customer experiences, and who is discovering revolutionary ways to create and source products, then you are going to have a huge advantage in this industry. It's about restructuring your organizations around customer-focused projects and activities. It is about being obsessed with creating places and touch points that are always available and engaging for your customers. It's about collaborating with your partners, your suppliers, and your support network in creative and imaginative ways. And it's about relentlessly refreshing and re-energizing your business model through interacting with the best new practice and forward thinkers. And that's what this course aims to do for you, to teach you how to deliver, nurture the most profitable combinations of people, products and processes for your brand and for your customer. Transform your business into an essential part of your customers' lives and make yourself essential, exceptional and indispensable to your own retail adventure and to every retail employer out there. This is what I am here to teach you. This is what you can expect from the course.